Hello everyone, welcome back. If you try to play the WhatsApp status and the first status and the second status sounds comes together after the update of iOS 16.4. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store and a menu will appear, tap on Updates. Here we have to check the list is there is any update available for WhatsApp. If there is, then we have to update the WhatsApp app first. If already updated or after update, if you're still facing the same issue, then we move to some other solutions. The second one in launch settings. Connect to Wi-Fi and tap on Journal and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. iOS is already updated, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After the force restart, if the problem is still exists, then tap and hold the WhatsApp and tap remove app and tap delete app. After deleting the app, go back to App Store and re-download the WhatsApp app. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.